Hey guys, it's Donna Shay and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a braid and curl tutorial. Yeah, I've never done this before, but if you would like to see my results, keep watching.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in.
So I'm just going to start off by regularly braiding my hair, take it into 3 sections, start braiding, and then when I get closer to the bottom, I'm going to 2-strand twist it and then curl it with my finger to make the ends more defined. So yeah.
The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Next, I'm going to take the flexi rod and just wrap my braid around the flexi rod like I'm doing in the video. I do have another video that shows in detail how I do my flexi rods because it's the same technique just with a braid. So if y'all want, I'll put that in the description box. But just wrap the braid around the flexi rod, secure the ends, and then move on to the next section.
The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together.
Again, I'm just going to spray my hair with water, apply the product, detangle, and then start braiding. Put the flexi rod on and just repeat that all over my head. And I'm just going to shut up now because I'm just going to let you guys watch me to see how I do it.
Open up, tear you out for puff, let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a puff. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up.
Just a little tip when wrapping your braid around, wrap the ends around itself like once or twice just so that they're secure. I don't know if you can tell in this video, but when you just wrap it, just like wrap the ends around itself and then start going up the rod, if you know what I'm saying.
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
So this is how they look. I don't know how many I have, but there you have it.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and
the next day, I'm gonna take these out. I look like a Christmas tree. I'm about to take these out and see how they look. I never did these before, so. As always, when taking down my styles, I apply oil on my hands and then I rub the oil onto my hair. And then I'm just gonna take out the flexi rods first and then start taking down the braids. So just like normal, I'm gonna take down my braids and then separate them after. I do have a in detail video on how I separate and unravel my twist. This is just basically like the same, but they're braids, so I'm gonna put that in the description box too as well.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
So now I'm going to separate my braids and I'm just going to take small pieces where they naturally separate, starting at the root, and pull all the way down and separate them. I'm not going to separate as much in this video, but yeah. Y'all know I love a little fluff. I love a good fluff, but I'm not about to go crazy because I don't want it too big on the first day. But yep, after that, I'm done. give y'all some poses, you know. But if you like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.